Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on TikTok app. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile by clicking on the profile button on the lower right side of your screen. And then click on these three little lines on the upper right side of your screen. And then settings and privacy. And then here, scroll down until you see language. Then just go ahead and click on that. And here, you want to click app language. And then here are all of the options that you have. So just click one, any language that you want, then click done. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.